Hello my happy faces, my name is Ridhi and you are tuned into my channel. I'm super duper excited to shoot today's video because I'm gonna be reviewing and showing you a newly launched product which an Indian brand has created. By this time you would have already known by the title of this video that this is gonna be about the YBP Cosmetics newly launched color cream. They have launched a product which is versatile. It can be used in 3 ways, obviously more than that if you wish to. I'm gonna be showing you the 4 shades from the newly launched color cream, how I use them, and also let me know how do you like my new background and my new lighting, and if you like it, leave it down in the comment section below. So if you guys are following YBP Cosmetics, you would know that they have been creating like this immense surprise and suspense for so many days. We were all guessing what product is it? Is it a highlighter? Is it a blush? Is it an eyeshadow? But guess what? They have come up with a product which is a combination of all these 3 products, which is superb. And they have also collaborated with India's topmost beauty blogger Shreya Jain. I personally love her work and you guys know that already. YBP Cosmetics team sent me their PR package. Funny story that I was at work when I received this package. I thought that I would probably open this package when I go back home, but I was so excited to see what's inside that I just opened the package on my seat right there. As soon as I saw the product, I was like, wow. I was super proud to see the packaging of the product, how the entire concept has turned out into a beautiful product. These are all the 4 products, the new launches which I received. First of all, can we just admire the packaging? Each and every variant of this color cream has such a beautiful packaging. It has a makeup look created by Shreya Jain for all the 4 types of variants of the color creams. The first one is Princess and it's a bubbly, chirpy, candy floss pink shade. Then we have the Witch, very versatile brown shade. It's kind of like a mauvish brown shade and I think it's gonna look superb on the lips. The next shade is Mermaid. This is a deep burgundy purplish kind of shade. And the last shade, which is my favorite from the lot, is the Goddess, which is a superbly stunning highlighter. Oh my god, I'm wearing this highlighter today. So the product is called as color creams. Why color creams and what do they do? These are not like a powderish format. These are not a lipstick format. These are in the form of creams. So hence the name color cream. Absolutely cruelty free vegan products and they come in this small tubes. The packaging itself is very simple, basic, no nonsense packaging. YBP and Shreya Jain written on it. A silver cap. Although I do wish that the name of the color was also written on it so that, you know, if I probably do not know this shade and if I don't have the packaging, but probably not know what shade this is. Since I have used these products for a few days now, I know what color am I picking. For these 3, the Witch, the Mermaid and the Princess, quantity of the color creams is 18 grams. Goddess on the other hand has 14 grams of product. All these 4 variants of color creams retail for rupees 1200. At first I thought that the range is a little too pricey because for 1200 and for 18 grams of product, but then when I actually started using it, I'll be very honest, I saw the versatility and the multi-purpose of these 4 color creams. Probably if you just buy a blush, you know, it would cost you more, but these products can be used as a blush, a lipstick, eyeshadow, anything you want to use, however you want to use. So there are no rules of using these products. It's advisable that you use these like, you know, take a drop of the product and, you know, just swirl it and then use it with your fingers if you want to apply it as an eyeshadow or a blush or even as a lipstick. As a lipstick it can act like a lip tint. I did wear this lipstick for an entire day, I think for about 6 hours, and it stayed put. After that I started feeling a little dry on my lips. They say that the product actually melts into your skin. Even if you are in a hurry and you don't have time to put on like a full face of makeup on, you can just use these 4 products and, you know, you'll be all good to go. So when you swatch them at first, they would appear a little glossy, but once they settle in, they'll be completely matte, and that is exactly what happened in my look as well. So on the eyes I'm wearing Mermaid and Princess mixed. On the cheeks I'm wearing a mix of Witch, Princess and Mermaid all together. As a highlighter I'm using a Goddess, and as a lipstick I'm using Mermaid and Witch again. It's completely dry and transfer proof. There's nothing on my hand. So, you know, you can create your own shade out of these 4 and mix and match everything and get a new shade of yourself. Also, one more thing which I noticed was that just a little tiny drop of this product has such a great pigment. I literally used a drop of the color and used it as a blush all over my cheeks and it worked completely fine. So one more thing which I personally love, and I don't know if you guys observed it or not, but Payal really emphasized on the fragrance of these color creams. I mean, this smells so nice, like rose kind of fragrance. It smells really nice, guys. You have to try this. This is not a sponsored video. I'm not getting paid for this. I'm expressing all my honest reviews. I legit use these products for 4 and 5 days now, and I'm really impressed by how they're working on my skin. My T-zone is quite oily. My eyelids are quite oily, so that's why after 6 hours it started to fade away, and I had a crease on my line because they're like, my eyelids are like really oily no matter how much of loose powder I use. I would suggest if you're looking for a highlighter kind of shade, then definitely go check out the Goddess shade. Right now all these color creams are currently available at YBP Cosmetics. If you want to go for a lipstick or an eyeshadow or a blush shade, then check out the shade Mermaid. I really love the shade Mermaid, and that is what I have majorly on my lips today, and the shade Witch, which is absolutely stunning as well. For Princess, I would say if you are a little on the fairer skin tone, definitely go check out the Princess shade, because I feel that Princess on my skin tone looks a tad bit like I look a tad bit darker when I use Princess shade. So that was my take on the color creams from the YBP Cosmetics. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video and that it was helpful for you in making you decide which shade would you want. Do subscribe to my channel and make sure that you give this video a big fat thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Bye! Melts in your mouth. My eyelids are quite oily.